Nasi dangafekai africanataya. Dangai makachena ere.
Wow, good job.
Uh-huh.
You did very well. So you mean nasi ndakapfeka.
Yes, yes.
Nasi ndakapfeka
Dangafekai
African attire.
africanataya.
Ndakachena here.
Dakachena here.
Yeah.
Dakachena here.
Okachena. You're looking beautiful.
Maitabasa.
Welcome.
All right. So I wanted to ask, what do you call a dress in Shona?
A dress in Shona, rokwe. Rokwe.
Roka.
Rokwe.
Roka.
Kwe.
Rokwe.
Yes, rokwe.
Rokwe. Koi.
Yes,
It's
rokwe.
koi.
Yes, rokwe.
Rokwe. So we can say in Shona, nasi dakafekae rokwe no Africa.
Yes, nasi ndakapfeka rokwe reku Africa.
Rekwe Africa.
Yes,
Okay.
rokwe reku Africa. Yes.
Nasi dakafekae rokwe ku Africa.
Yes, it's really looking nice on you.
Oh, Maitabasa.
It's really looking nice on you. You're really beautiful.
Thank you.